Hi Drastic Cuties, today we're going to draw a reindeer from Squishmallows, so let's get started. To draw this cute little reindeer, we're going to first start by drawing his head, and so right here I'm going to start and draw kind of like an upside down U. So I'm just going to bring the curve all the way up, like in the dome shape, and bring it back down to the same level. So about right there, I'll stop. And bring it down a little bit more to straighten it out. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve, a slight curve. And then let's come here and draw the scarf. So another level. So just get the curve, pop it out a little bit. And from there, we're going to come in here and draw part of the scarf that hangs out. So say about right here, add a curve that comes down. And I'm going to thicken it. So add another curve right there. And connect it, and we're going to draw the bottom part, do another layer, and come in here and draw your tassels. So same thing for this back part. Then from there, let's go ahead and connect our scarf. We're just going to follow our top curve all the way across and back. So then from there, we can draw the body of the reindeer, just another layer. So just pop it out again. Same thing over here, and basically just connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. There, nice soft plush, right? Round it off. So now we have a basic shape in. Let's come back up here, and I'm going to come to the side right here and draw the ears of our reindeer. So about right here, I'll start, draw a curve that comes out, round off the edge right there, and bring it back in. And let's come in here with the inside part of the ear, so just draw a curve all the way through. So same thing over here. I'm just going to give myself some points. So I'm about the same area. And once again, I'm just going to bring out a curve, about that much, round it off, and bring it back in. And right here, add a curve all the way to the edge. So then now let's draw the horns. So I'm going to come right next to our ear, just draw 2 lines, and we're going to pop it out with the horn part. So just curve and a curve and center, longer center curve all the way up. So same thing over here. It's approximate, about right there. So once again, curve on both sides towards the center, and a center longer one all the way up and down. So then from there, let's bring our cute little reindeer to life. I'm going to come towards the scarf right here and draw an oval for the nose and mouth part. So let's see, about right here, I'll start and draw lightly an oval. Right next to the scarf. There. And then come in here, we're going to draw 2 little ovals. You can fill it in if you want, for his nostrils and the eyes right next to it. So about right here, I'll start and draw a circle. Same thing on this side. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So we come here, 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing right here. So I'm finishing off my Christmas drawings with 3 of these Squishmallows. So hopefully you guys love how all my drawings have been this Christmas holiday season. You guys have enjoyed drawing them. Okay, so let's come back up here and draw a little curve on top of the eye. Make my nostrils a little bit bigger. There. And then you can come right here and add a little heart, of course, to make it my Draw So Cute reindeer from Squishmallows. And oh, I almost forgot. Down here, we gotta give it a little curve for this belly area. So about right here, just add a little curve. So it's just imagining it curving around. So then about right here, it's gonna pop back out and draw another curve. And of course that heart, right? And then when you're coloring it, you can decorate your scarf however you like. So that's pretty much it for this cute little reindeer from Squishmallows. Hope you guys love how it turned out. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.